kariwa pa din magkuan mahal.
This rice. This is rice. Look at this rice.
And some are growing and some are ready to be harvested.
Yeah.
Some are being harvested. Koping kabaw with ang kami. Ganahan ko sa kabaw nga meat kay ko.
Oh, ning ato na nga yan. Wala man akong GPS mo tingo ko. 450 ko no, 450.
Mahapunan tag-diretso direct.
In 300 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Oh, destination is on the right.
It's the bridge. Oh, it's the river. Ah, oh my gosh. Wala. Para may bata.
Poor thing, look.
Oh, tayo sa akin dito ay mo siguro na. Wow, this is farming area. Farming. The farm of... Here we are, the farm of Guinciaman. Farm of Guinciaman.
Guinciaman.
So we're getting closer, and you can see these beautiful mountains. The roads are small, and as you can see, I think there's a dog in the middle. Is that a dog? Oh no, nothing. It's just a branch. Oh, wow. Okay, there is an arrow.
What's that arrow there?
So we're
Guinciaman. That is the farm, okay.
farm of Guinciaman. Okay, so here we are. We saw this in YouTube, so we're here. Oh, look at those flowers. So pretty already. Oh.
Murag Rusal.
Yeah, kalachuchi.
Kalachuchi di ay. Oh.
Wow.
Umot na umot.
So that's pretty.
Dai mo na ginagkuan.
Sisi, mo na lang sa bukid, ani Sisi.
Ha?
Sa bukid.
Kana saging.
Oh, saging-saging. Naman kay saging-saging sa balay.
Oh, here we
Oh, I
go.
love the water, my.
La Cantina farm. We're here at the La Cantina, and this is the farm. It's a big farm. It's about 3.3 kilometers of farm. And yeah, welcome. Thank you for watching my vlog. Here we are at the farm of Guinciaman. All right. Wow. So these are some beautiful cover. And yeah, look. There's water up there. I'm gonna go in that little bridge. But it's beautiful landscaping. And they have some water in there. It's like a little kind of bridge. Yeah, we'll go to the bridge. Oh gosh. So pretty. Jade, kudak. Dirita Jade, kudak ko. Ngari ato ko ha, Jade. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. I love their ground cover. It's so beautiful. Look at this ground cover. Jade, this is what we need in our yard. Ground cover. Oh my god, there is a big, almost like an alligator. It's not alligator, but it's a big. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at these flowers. So pretty. My goodness. What is this here? A lagoon? What's in here? There's lilies here. Oh, there's water. Like they have lilies here. Wow. Ah, bunch of bamboos die. I can't believe that you didn't come here. You're so close. You're only 30 minutes away. Hey, look at me, guys. Everyone. Wow, this is pretty. The landscaping is beautiful, Sisi.
Pa-picture kita tayo ng tinita kay bangin ipakita sa mga kuwan sa ano,
Mga puti.
mga puti.
Wow. Ah, si Baklao. Ah, si Baklao. Okay. Ah.
Look at me here. Look, everybody.
Okay, this is beautiful.
Picture na. Imo ako gamiton.
Fish pan na ko na init nila.
Yeah. Ito dito mga kuan, white flowers. And all right,
Okay, look at me, guys.
so pretty. Have some bamboos here. Oh my gosh, gipahit na po ko. Wala ka makalakat tapin. Oh, here's the pizza here, Pen. Oh my gosh. Ano ba to? Oh, there's the pizza place and a hotel. This is their hotel. And this is the pizza place. Oh my gosh. Camp Pizza Grill. Ha? Wala. Wow. Look at this place. Hello. Is there any water here or crocodile? I
Crocodile diri ba?
think there's a...
Siguro kung may muta.
Oh, they have a restaurant here. What is this place? Camp Pizza Grill. This is just pizza. Let's look around here. Oh, they have so many beautiful trees here. And they have kind of like, I don't know if it's like lagoon or something. I was wondering if there's a crocodile up there. That's a good question. And I think this is their pizza place. What is this? A restaurant? This is a nice restaurant. Let's see. Beautiful. This is a different restaurant. What is this? Nice. All right. So there's a nice pizza place here in Guinciaman farm, and that one is another restaurant that they have here. See, and everything here is heaven. It's a lot of trees, a lot of beautiful plants, and everywhere you look is full of trees and full of beautiful plants. And you can explore here it's free, and you can order some foods. We eat in the cantina, and they have really nice swimming pools. You can see. I took a video of that earlier today. So now I'm walking towards different flowers. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous trees. And yeah, it's really nice from where I am in Ormoc. It's about, it's in Haro. Close to Haro, about, 30 minutes away. It's in San Miguel, and it's very close to Haro. So yeah, this is how we see it here. Lots. There's even a teepee. They created a teepee here. And let's look what's going on here. Oh, this is what we can do. We can ride this. Let me see. You guys want to ride this one? Huh? You want to ride here, Sissy? You want to ride here? You want to ride here, Sissy? No. Why not? I'm going to. You can use this to ride in the farm. It's just really hard to be riding right now in the farm. I don't know. It's okay, we opted out the riding that bike, the ATV ride. It's just really hot. It's 2 o'clock, and it's a 45 minutes ride. We came here like early morning, so we can stand our ride. It's just too hot. We're just waiting right now. Okay. We can go here. Okay, let's go now. Or you want to go now?
What time is it?
Because you have a guest today, right? Oh, so this one, I don't know. Look on this building.
Yes, ate. Nakuha man siya tanan.
Oh. There's a rice farm. Look at this. Serving of compassion. What's in there? I don't know what this is. Ay, that is Ella function. Okay, we'll just take a look. This is their function hall. So there's a lot of events here. I did look at this one. It's really unique. They put this bread in the middle of the farm, in the middle of the rice farm. Very clever. Do that. So nice. We were exploring everywhere. We went to that restaurant in Cantina. You have Camp Pizza and Grill. We didn't eat there, but we had our lunch up there in the Cantina. And then we have this beautiful, now there's a playground. Look at this playground. And this is also the hotel. The hotel has 10 rooms. Walking. We're walking and walking. We're going to the house gate. We'll see what we can find. It's a new building there. I don't know if that's actually a building.
Where's the girl hotel?
Huh?
Where's your hotel?
Yeah, I think it's a building. This gate. I like their playground. It's very nice for kids. Look at the hotel here.
Yes.
Look at the hotel. Let's see what. This is the lobby. Hi. Just looking. Really nice. What's in here, Jade? Let's look at here, Jade. Oh, you have a nice device here, Jade. Look at it, Jade. This is the hotel. That's nice. It's really nice. Oh. Let me see. I can have, this is a nice house. Like a little house. It's like almost the size of my house. Diba that?
Mm.
Look at that. Side. And there is a nice canal. Let's look at here. Oh my God. So they use this water as part of the yes. I don't know how many times you develop this. You must have developed this for a long time. Alright. Should we go there, G? Let's go there, G. Pag nalasa na, G,
Nice, no? Where's your mangrove?
I was going to remind you. Take a video of that. Did you hear it, G? We have a mini zoo here. Oh, let's check it out. Monkeys are here. Monkeys. Looking here. Bunnies. Nice here. Like bungee jumping as you Jake. I think it's a little mini zip line. There's a mini zip line. Okay, so the little boy is scared. Really not a big zip line. Yeah! Jade, look at this. Ang kariton, Jade. Nice, it's funny.
Ako na lang diri sa kuan. Kabayo ako na sakay.
No entry man puno diha. Oh, no entry vehicles and motorcycles.
Ah.
This is a big farm here.
Yeah. Another ano sa.
Yeah, honestly. So this is another resort. Let's go here. Let's go here. Bakery. They have a bakery inside. Let's have a bakery. Obi donut. Obi donut. Oh, what is this?
Ubi sa imada po. Adi cheese donut.
Cheese donut. Okay. So we can buy. Yeah. Can we buy this one?
Ubi sa imada.
Yeah.
Dahil ka mo ba?
No. We just ate sa Cantina. We finished our lunch.
Take out.
Take out. So, can you check what they have for the Spanish latte? Signature dishes. Wow.
One sa imada.
All right, so we're gonna eat here. We'll try to eat at the La Cantina, Filipino, Latin American comfort foods. This is the farm. All right, so you have beautiful garden. Look at this garden. It's gorgeous. Lots of bombbells. Look at these bombbells. Oh, wow. That's loaded. Okay. Let's go back to our lunch. We're gonna see if we can order some foods. Look at these beautiful flowers. Oh my goodness. Look at this. What kind of flowers is this? Gorgeous. Okay. And yeah, isn't that nice, Sonia?
Yeah.
What do you think of this place? It's really beautiful, huh? Gorgeous, yeah. And I don't know if this is a swimming pool. I think it is a swimming pool. You can actually swim here. It's beautiful. Oh, there's, oh my goodness. Gorgeous. It's almost like an infinity pool here. Oh, we can actually swim here. I didn't. Oh my gosh. Oh, those are rice. I know. Let's go swim. Okay, so let's go back to the restaurant now so we can eat. Oh, these are unusual flowers that I haven't seen. They're pretty. Oh my gosh. All right, so what did you order? Not yet?
I haven't ordered nothing yet.
Okay. Hello. How are you? You're good? So, this is the only place we can.
We still have your Camp Pizza, Matchstick, coffee shop.
So there's pizza?
Yes, Camp Pizza.
And this, what do you serve here?
Here we serve your main dish, like for lunch, dinner.
Oh,
Mostly
okay.
the snacks are in Camp Pizza.
What?
Camp Pizza.
Cam pizza and it's pizza.
Yes.
But this one, regular food.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna stay here. I love it. So I wish we can swim here.
Yes.
But-
Are you check-in or walk-in? guest?
Just walk in. So there's a hotel here?
Yeah.
I didn't know there's a hotel here.
Alcuria de San Miguel.
Oh, so that's the hotel.
Yes. That's the hotel.
Oh, how many rooms?
12 or 11?
11 rooms? Oh, okay. All right, there's actually rooms here. There's a hotel. That's why we can stay there. That's a hotel. Mm. Taga-Haroy Sonia, pero wala pa bakari.
First time?
First time ni Sonia.
So may mga times ba nga nagbibiling kami ng seminars?
Nakita gyud kita ng seminar sa private. Yes. Ang pag-inquire ko mga ano.
Oh, okay. So let's order some food. La Cantina.